Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, English Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 7, Identify Visual Elements. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. For today, our topic is about identify lines. Let's start! And here are the learning competencies and objectives. First, identify visual elements. A. Identify lines: vertical, horizontal, left diagonal, right diagonal, and zigzag. Thin lines, thick lines, broken lines, and dotted lines. B. Determine lines, shapes, and colors used to convey meaning. C. Interpret images or ideas that are explicitly used to influence viewers or symbolism. And D. Infer the purpose of the visual text. And here are the topics. First, lines: vertical, horizontal, left diagonal, right diagonal, and zigzag. Thin lines, thick lines, broken lines, and dotted. Second, lines, shapes, and colors used to convey meaning. Third, steps in interpreting images or ideas that are explicitly used to influence viewers or symbolism. And last, steps in identifying the purpose of the visual text. What do you know about lines? For today, we will embark on a creative journey to explore and identify various types of lines that exist around us. Let us start with vertical, a line that goes straight up and down, like the side of a bookshelf. Vertical line conveys stability, strength, and formality. Examples: the sides of a skyscraper or the columns of a classical building. Vertical lines are often used to suggest solidity and structure. Horizontal, a line that goes straight across like the horizon where the sky meets the land. Horizontal conveys calmness, tranquility, and balance. Examples: the horizon where the sky meets the land or the edge of a calm body of water. Horizontal lines are used to create a sense of peace and stability. Diagonal, a line that slants or slopes, neither vertical nor horizontal. Diagonal, it conveys movement, dynamism, and energy. Examples: slide at a playground. The slanted diagonal lines of the slide shows that it's meant for sliding down quickly, giving a sense of fun and movement. The angle of the slide makes it clear that you'll be zipping down, which adds to the excitement and energy of playing on it. Next, we have zigzag. It means excitement, tension, and unpredictability. Zigzag conveys movement, dynamism, and energy. Examples: the path of lightning or the jagged edge of a mountain range. Zigzag lines create a feeling of energy and abrupt change. Thin. A line that has a small width or is not very wide. Thin conveys subtlety, delicacy, and precision. Examples: the fine lines of a delicate drawing or the thin edge of a pencil mark. Thin lines are used to add detail and create a refined appearance. Thick. A line that has a greater width, being wider than a thin line. Thick conveys boldness, strength, and emphasis. Examples: the heavy lines used in comic book art. These lines are often outline characters and important elements, helping them stand out against the background and convey a sense of action or significance. The thick lines give the artwork a dynamic, impactful quality that draws the reader's eye to the most important parts of the story. Broken. A line that is interrupted by gaps or spaces, not continuous. Broken conveys discontinuity, movement, and change. Examples: the dashed lines on a road indicating a lane change or the segmented path of a trail. Broken lines suggest interruptions or transitions. Dotted. A line that is made up of a series of dots placed closely together. Dotted conveys lightness, suggestion, and segmentation. Examples: the dotted border of a sketch or the guideline for stitching. Dotted lines are often used to imply boundaries or soft separations without strong emphasis. This time, let's have a lesson activity. Prepare a dynamic and visually engaging interactive line showcase. This could involve a large poster board or digital presentation with images, animations, and real-world examples of various types of lines. Make it interactive by inviting learners to come up to the board to draw and experiment with lines. And incorporate engaging questions like, what kind of line would you use to represent a tree trunk? Or, can you draw a zigzag line that represents a bolt of lightning? Encourage learners to share their thoughts and hypotheses about how lines can be used creatively. Let's have station ideas. Vertical adventure. Learners use colored pencils or markers to draw a tall building with vertical lines representing windows and doors. Horizontal highway. Learners create a landscape drawing with a wide road and horizontal lines for lanes. Zigzag artistry. Provide a template of a lightning bolt shape. Learners fill it with creative zigzag patterns. Diagonal designs. Learners design a playful staircase using diagonal lines to connect the steps. Here's how. First, rotate the learners through each station, allowing them to explore and experience each type of line. Second, gather learners back as a whole class. Third, facilitate a collaborative reflection session where each group shares what they discovered at their exploration station. Discuss the uniqueness and creativity that different types of lines can bring to artwork and design. Prompt discussion with questions like, how did using vertical lines in your building drawing make it different from one with horizontal lines? Or, why might an artist choose to use zigzag lines in their artwork? A work example, identifying lines. Directions, look at the images below and write down what types of line each image represents. Example, vertical, horizontal, diagonal, zigzag, etc. Write the meaning indicated by each line. Let's have the first picture. Tall trees. The type of line is vertical, meaning vertical lines often convey a sense of stability, strength, and upward movement. In the context of tall trees, these lines emphasize height, growth, and natural beauty. The second picture is curved road. Type of line is curved, meaning curved lines represent fluidity, movement, and flexibility. In a curved road, this suggests a journey with changes in direction, smooth transactions, and a sense of dynamism. The third picture is stairs. The type of line is diagonal with a stepped pattern. So the meaning, diagonal lines indicate motion, progression, and ascent or descent. Stairs symbolize the concept of climbing or descending, representing progress, effort, and the transition between different levels of states. Evaluative learning for this topic. Learners shall design a poster using all 8 types of lines to create an engaging visual narrative. For our generalization, remember the following important key details. Lines are fundamental visual elements that convey different meanings and emotions in design. Vertical lines often suggest stability and strength, creating a sense of formality and structure. Horizontal lines evoke calmness and balance, providing a grounded and serene effect. Diagonal lines, whether left or right, imply movement and energy, with right diagonals often indicating progress and left diagonals suggesting tension. Zigzag lines introduce agitation and excitement, while thin lines convey delicacy and subtlety, and thickness or thick lines add boldness and emphasis. And broken lines indicate interruption or uncertainty, and dotted lines suggest movement or a path. Understanding these line types allows designers to effectively communicate various messages and emotions through their visual work. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.